Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying essentials, React v16, 8+ and a running project. Once done, pick your HTTP client. Fetch is built-in, Axios adds helpers. Install Axios with npm i Axios if you prefer, and store your base URL in a N file so you can change endpoints without editing code. Then create an API JS module that exports a configured client with base URL and default headers. This centralizes auth and reduces repetition. You'll reuse it across components. You now integrate the call into UI. Inside useEffect, define an async function that awaits the API helper and updates state. Call it immediately. Make sure to set loading true before the call and false in finally so the UI reflects progress. Use abort controller to cancel stale requests when dependencies change. For protected endpoints, attach tokens to headers via your API JS client if a 400 one occurs. Refresh tokens or redirect to login so you maintain secure, predictable flows. You finish by stabilizing and testing. Add caching or background revalidation using React Query or SWR to reduce duplicate requests and simplify retries. Write unit tests with mocked fetch/Axios so components don't hit real APIs during CI. For manual debugging, inspect the network tab and log request/response objects so you see headers and payloads. If something fails, check CORS policies, content type, and authorization headers first. Misconfigured headers cause most errors, and fixing them usually clears up failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.